Dear children, so welcome to the session. The lesson we discussed, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So in that lesson, we discussed about the book back evaluation part. Let me continue the book back evaluations questions. The question says, categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. So the materials are telephone instruments, plastic toys, cooker handles, carry bags, ballpoint pen, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electric wires, plastic chairs, and switches. So with that, we have to identify which material can be recycled and which material cannot be recycled. So for that, we have to answer. So first, we will see the telephone instruments. So these telephone instruments is prepared with, actually the plastics can be classified into two major parts. What are the children? Yes, it is thermosetting plastics and another one is thermoplastics. So the telephone instrument is made by through a process that is thermosetting plastics. So thermosetting plastic means we cannot be reshaped, remolded. So this is thermosetting plastics. So this one cannot be recycled. And next is plastic toys. So the plastic toys is prepared with thermoplastics. So these thermoplastics, which has the properties, which has the characteristics as it can be remolded. So the plastic toys can be recycled. And cooker handles. So these cooker handles is made with the compound that is melamine. So thermosetting plastics. The examples for thermosetting plastics are bakelite and melamine. So the bakelite are used for electrical switches and some electrical appliances, and the melamine is used for the various purpose of cooking utensils. So with that we can use it for the various cooking vessels. What is the reason? Because the thermosetting plastics, it will not conduct the heat and electricity. So this cooker handles, if we cook some things and we can take the cooker with the help of handles. So here in that handles it will not having any heat. So that's why the cooker handles is made with the thermosetting plastics. So it will not remolded. So the cooker handles can be recycled or cannot be recycled, children? Yes, it cannot be recycled. And these carry bags, the carry bags are thermoplastics. So it can be recycled. And ballpoint pen. So it is also made with the help of thermoplastics. So it can also be recycled. And plastic bowls, it's also made through thermoplastics. So it can also be recycled. And electrical wires. So electrical wires also it can be recycled. And next, plastic chairs. So these plastic chairs also called as example for thermoplastics. It can be recycled. And electric switches. So electrical switches, it is made with the help of bakelite. So it is thermosetting plastics. It cannot be recycled. So in that material which cannot be recycled, which material cannot be recycled? Yes, telephone instruments, cooker handles, and electrical switches. So these three materials are cannot be recycled. Remaining materials can be recycled, that is plastic toys, carry bags, ballpoint pen, plastic bowl, electrical wires and plastic chairs. So the recyclable materials are toys, carry bags, ballpoint pen, plastic bowl, plastic chairs, electric wires. And rest, so remaining only three materials, that is telephone instruments, cooker handles and electrical switch. So these three materials cannot be recycled. And next question, Charana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Give reason for your suggestion. So actually during summer days, we have to prefer cotton shirts because the cotton shirts, it will having the tiny holes. Yeah, that porous is there. So in that porous, the sweat, it will absorb. It will absorb the moisture. So when we go outside, so during summer, so we can feel much more hot. If we wear the lighter cloths of cotton shirt means it will reflect the heat. It will not absorb the heat. So that's why during summer season we have to prefer light color cotton shirts. It will not absorb the heat and also it will absorb the moisture, sweat, so we can feel more comfortable when we wear cotton shirt during the summer season. Chorana should buy cotton shirts for summer because cotton is a poor conductor of heat. It does not transmit heat to and form the body and protects us from heat. It will not transmit heat to and form the body and protect us from the heat. It will reflect the heat. When we wear the cotton shirt, it will reflect the heat. So cotton is more capable of holding, absorbing sweat than synthetic cloths keeping us cool. If we wear synthetic material, there is no tiny holes are there. The cloth will not absorb the moisture. So when we wear the synthetic material cloths during summer, we can't able to feel more comfort because it will not absorb the moisture. And next question, so give example to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. So what are the examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature? So plastics are non-corrosive in nature because they will not react with any substance. Plastics is a non-reactive substance. It will not react with any other substance and it do not show any chemical change. There is no chemical change. That's why plastics has the property, it is a non-corrosive in nature. So the reason is it will not react with any other substance. If you take plastic bowls, when we add some water in the plastic bowls, the reaction will goes on that? No. Because Plastics do not react with any other substance. It is non-reactive. So that's why it will not corrode in nature. Okay children, so see you on next session. Thank you.